Hi, boys and girls. Today, I'm going to go over the story Silver Dollar Dreams because part of your work this morning, May 26th, is to watch this video lesson, view the vocabulary words, and read or listen to Silver Dollar Dreams twice. So, the way that you'll do that is by coming to Storyworks Junior scholastic.com and click log in. Select I am a student. Okay. Now, a way that you can get to the story quickly is by just it's part of the June stories, the June magazine. So you just click here, Silver Dreams. All right, here we are. So before we get started in reading the story, I want to show you that if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, okay, you will go here where it says multimedia, and that's where you will find the vocabulary slideshow. Okay, so unlike the lesson from last week, I'm going to go over the vocabulary words with you. However, I do want you to go over the words an additional time independently. Okay, so the first word is scour. It means to search fully, and it's an action, it's a verb. Then we have martial arts. It's a noun, and it's a fighting or self-defense styles that use hands and feet. Okay, like karate. Some of you I know are in karate. And another word, I don't think they have it here, it's sensei. So a sensei is a teacher in karate. Okay. The next word is numb. It's an adjective. That means it describes a noun. Numb means not able to feel anything. And this girl, I guess her name is Lulu, says Lulu's foot became numb after sitting too long. Oh, yep, that happens. Okay, the next word is crackle. It's a verb. A series of short snapping sounds. It was quiet except for the crackle of the fire. Go ahead. I don't know what that was. My phone, maybe. No, Siri, I'm not talking to you. Okay, the next word is mouths. So it sounds like the word mouth, but it's not. It's a verb. So mouths is when you move your lips as if you're talking, but you're not making a sound. Okay? So you just are mouthing something to someone else. You're communicating to them by moving your lips, and they're trying to read your lips. All right? Then we have sprain. Sprain is a noun. It's an injury to a ligament. Some people may be familiar with spraining their ankle. I think maybe that's what happened to this person. It's a common sprain. And those are all the words. So go over them one additional time as part of your assignment. All right, so like always, I like to read it in presentation view. I have it open here already. So I do want to tell you that the objective, the main skill that you are learning is how a character changes. So look at the character of Alex at the beginning of the story and then again at the end of the story, okay? So your objective is to understand how a character changes and why a character changes. And this is a realistic fiction story about a boy who learns that the first step in reaching your goals is believing in yourself. Okay, so let's look at the picture on page 17. All right, what are Alex and his grandfather doing in the illustration? Okay, good. Now let's look at the title, Silver Dollar Dreams. And here it has a silver dollar. It's a dollar, but in a coin form. Maybe some of you have had one or seen one before. And look at the subtitle here. It says, How will Alex ever earn his orange belt in karate? With a lot of practice and some dreaming too. So I want you to ask yourself, how do you think that dreaming will help Alex reach his goal? Okay, think about that. Give yourself like an answer in your head. Now, before we before you start reading, I want you to just be aware. Just think about what you already know about karate. Okay, karate is a martial art that started in Japan, and students of karate study with a teacher called a sensei, and they practice a series of karate movements while wearing their uniform, like we saw in the vocabulary slideshow. All right, so there are the 6 vocabulary words are highlighted here, and they're in bold print here. So go ahead and read the story, pay attention to the vocabulary, and we will be working on this story all week. Thank you. Bye.